Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software on your LG Smart TV. On the home screen of your device, navigate to the sidebar and select the gear icon on it. Open the quick settings menu, then at the top bar of this menu select gear icon once again to open all settings menu. Navigate to support section at the bottom and then select software update. In this menu, you can enable auto update so that your TV can automatically detect a new update for your device, download it in the background, and notify you whenever the update is installed. If you want to manually check for an available update, select Check for Updates. Just make sure that your device is connected to the network right now. Now, if your TV finds an update, you'll see that the TV started automatically download and install it. And then after that, you'll be able to simply leave this menu and you'll be notified whenever the update is installed. If your TV didn't find any update, you will see the no updates found notification right here. And in this case, your TV is up to date. But if you see the notification that your TV has downloaded and installed an update, you're gonna have to restart your TV in order for the update to be applied. Now, to restart your TV, you're gonna have to short press the power button on your remote control and wait until the screen of your TV fully goes off. After that, unplug your TV from the power source for a couple of seconds. About 5 to 15 seconds will be enough. And after that, plug your TV back into the power outlet. Wait for a couple of seconds before you can turn it on, and then point your remote control at your TV and press the power button to turn your TV on. After that, your TV will go through the full restart cycle. And right now the TV is turned back on. So let me press the home button to return to the home screen, and right now the TV is fully up to date. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.